The French are really great at 3 things: kissing, eating cheese, and making toast. I'm gonna teach you how to make our classic and easy French toast right now. What you're gonna need is a dish, some milk, an egg. Take some McCormick vanilla extract. It's sweet, it's rich, and ground cinnamon. Once those 4 ingredients are in your pan, you're just gonna whisk it up, make sure everything is put together. Your griddle's on medium heat. The thicker your toast, the lower that you want the heat on the griddle to be. Now for your griddle, you can use butter, yum, or if you want coconut oil. You're gonna dip your toast. This is just a farmhouse white, but you could use challah, you could use raisin bread, you could use wheat. Lay it on there. Now you're gonna wanna make sure it really grills up nice and brown, so maybe 2 or 3 minutes on medium heat. That egg cooking all the way through. While this is cooking, if you really wanna take your French toast to the next level, get your pancake syrup or your maple syrup, put it in a microwave-safe container, add a little McCormick pumpkin pie spice or maybe apple pie spice, some cinnamon, heat it up for 20 seconds, and when you're ready, you're gonna flip this over. You're gonna take that finished French toast, use that warm maple syrup infused with McCormick spices, and have yourself the most epic breakfast ever. Check out the links below, and of course subscribe to find out the exact recipe and how to make your breakfast a little better.